Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in Affin Bank account online. Affin Bank provides financial products and services to both retail and corporate customers. It also provides an exhaustive array of financial products and services catering to both individuals and corporate clients. Now, to log into your account, firstly, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search affinalways.com and press enter. You will be now lead to this kind of interface, and at the top right, you can see the option login. You can simply click over there. Now here you can see various options. You need to choose according to your preference. For this video, we will go for personal. Now this kind of interface will appear. Here you need to enter your username. Now, in case if you have forgotten your username or your password, here you can see the option forgot username, forgot password. You can simply click over there and they will be guiding you further to recover it. If not, then you can simply click on login. But if you haven't created your account, then there you can see the option first time login. You can click over there and they will be guiding you further to register for your Affin account. Now, if you click on login, then you will be successfully logged into your Affin Bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.